In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell diamond in emergency Hamburg. So first, go to any smuggler located in here or dealer. But in this case, I'm going to buy a smuggle weapon from a smuggler. So you can see it on the map on the right side. Just simply click the M key button on your keyboard. So basically, smuggler and dealer are often found in a dark places or hidden places like this. So as you can see here, there's a smuggler in here. So just simply click the letter E button and then it will show you the smuggle weapon you can buy. Make sure you have enough money for that. So in this case, I'm going to buy this metal bat. Take note that when you purchase a smuggle weapon illegally, of course, it will automatically you give a wanted level star. So make sure you are fast to run and also good in drivings because police will catch you. So now let's go to the jewelry store we are going to Robert. So we're here and we're going to look for the diamond jewelry. So you often see here it in here and then just click the tab button on your keyboard and it will show you the weapons you have. So take note that when buying a weapon, you should choose the metal bat in order to break a glass. So try until the glass is broke. It takes a lot of try to break this kind of glass, so be patient and wait for the glass to break. So once the glass broke, you can now pick the diamonds. And now you've successfully robbed a diamonds in a jewelry store. Now go to any dealer or smuggler located in the map. So as you can see, the police are starting to chase me. So make sure the police won't catch you. So you should drive fast and lock your car door. Because if they caught you, your mission will automatically restart, the diamonds will disappear, so on with the smuggle weapon you bought on a smuggler. And now, as you can see, we are here. Now go to the smuggler and then click the diamonds and sell it to the smuggler to get paid. Just simply click the E and then the diamonds and then sell all. And that's it. That's how you sell diamonds in emergency Hamburg. I hope it helps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.